Yep.
This is Hash Brown. He is a scaleless Texas rat snake. He has a really sweet personality. He's never bitten me or gaped. I think he's only rattled his tail maybe once or twice. He's a very, very good eater. Always eats his food. He has a really sweet personality. Hash Brown. Hi. Hi. I want to try and breed him for his sweet personality. Hopefully when he gets bigger, he'll keep his cute, calm disposition. He's also gorgeous. I mean, like, he's bright orange. He's very sweet, and I love him. Right, Hash?